Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'll show you how to add balance in your Apple account in iPhone or iPad or other iOS device. So guys, if you're using any iOS device and try to add funds or try to add balance in your Apple ID or in your Apple account or in your iCloud account, I'll help you how can you do this. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, you need to open your settings, make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection, and guys after this you need to go back. So guys, after going to back, simply you need to open your app store and now you need to wait for its opening. And guys, as you can see, when it's open, then you need to click on your main profile icon of your app store. And guys, now you need to wait for some seconds, and after this you will see here is the option of add funds to Apple account. You have to click on this one, and now you need to wait. So guys, maybe here is you need to use your Face ID or password of your Apple account, and from here you need to select amount that you want to add in your Apple account. For example, I am going to select this one, and you can add another also manually from here. So for example, I am going to add this one, and now guys you need to wait. So guys, after, as you can see, simply you have to click on double click on your power button, and you need to use your Face ID to add amount or add funds in your Apple ID. And guys, after using your Face ID you can easily add your amount in your Apple account. So guys, this is the only way to do this. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.